Welcome everybody to our how-to on whole grains. Allisha is going to give us some tips and suggestions on how to choose healthy whole grains. So why whole grains?
So whole grains actually have, they have a dietary fiber. So any diet that is rich in fiber is going to help reduce the risk of certain chronic health conditions. They're also good, they're nutrient dense, so they're gonna help you feel full longer, and they're gonna help you to maintain decreasing your overall caloric intake throughout the day.
What counts as a serving of whole grains?
So this, I think, is where people tend to overeat, or kind of, I don't want to say mess up, when they think that they're eating a serving of whole grains. So like one slice of bread or a half a cup of cooked rice, and then even 1 cup of like a ready-to-eat cereal, so like an oatmeal, and then also a half a cup of cooked pasta or cooked cereal, and then aim to make at least half of your grains whole throughout your day.
Ooh, I like that tip. How do I know I am eating whole grains?
So it's best to check the ingredient list. As long as the first ingredient listed on there says whole grains, then you know you're in the right spot. Also, on the food packaging, just like in general, if it says 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat, then you know you're in the right place. A lot of times it might be misleading. So just do your research and just take the extra time to make sure that that's exactly what's in the ingredients.
Very good, I like that. Well, these were some great tips on choosing whole grains. If you have any questions, stop by the center and see a staff.